Well, hello, my fellow modders. So, here is the Monroe Magnum Ford Courier. So this kit is by AMT and Matchbox, and it is from, but here's the side. And so apparently there was a actual Ford Courier Baja. And so I think that's what this is kind of based off of, the Baja Courier. Legal replica of the two Bill Straight prepared Monroe Baja Couriers with the 2.3 liter. And so let's open it up, see what we got here. Okay, so right away I have some instructions for 7 Ford Courier. So there's actually 2 kits in this one. And here are the decals, which are in amazing shape. How old this kit is. So I'm hoping these come off fairly easily, you know. I really hope I can use these because I really want to. I like the box art a lot. So we'll set that aside. And then you have the, I believe this is the instructions to the Monroe Magnum. A little small. All this is in bags by the previous owner. I have not really touched this kit except to open it. So it looks like this is the 2.3 liter, probably the Monroe Magnum, I believe, which turned out pretty nice. Not bad. And looks like this is the 77, I believe. But I was pleasantly surprised to find 2 kits in here instead of just one. So there's the 77 again. Rear parts for the Monroe one. We've got some wheels. Hopefully, looks like I'm missing one. I'm hoping. Oh, I guess I'm missing all 3. So hopefully that's in the box. Looks like this is the frame. Oh, 2 frames. Okay, so we got both frames here. And then I'm not exactly sure what all this is. Looks like all suspension, probably to both kits. Just quite a bit in there. Okay, looks like they painted everything for the. Yes, this is actually going to be a pretty easy kit to build, I think, if I stick with blue. And here's the other wheels. I think this is for the 77. Pretty cool kit. It's the Monroe Magnum. AMT and Matchbox. Photo of actual truck. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys. So if you want to see any more vintage kits, kits. Yeah. Click right there, I think. Either there or there. And I've got a couple of reviews of some more vintage kits. And I will be posting some more as I get them. And I will talk to you guys soon.